Hello friends, welcome to Omega Stock Pro, and today is 20th of August, and for tomorrow we'll select two stocks for intraday trading. And friends, I want to tell you that I want to give a disclaimer. All the videos which I am making is for educational purpose. Before taking any position, please consult your financial planner or investment advisor. Okay, then I've taken the examples how to select stocks for intraday and how to take out the levels. And the stock which I have chosen yesterday, that is for today's trading, was the TVS Motor. Okay, TVS Motor, and we discussed that nowadays this doji and all these things don't work because it is a trap. People, if they don't sell, then only try to understand the psychology behind this doji. It's in a uptrend pattern. That is what we discussed yesterday. And this is a doji. This is a very bearish pattern, and actually the stock has to go down. But what happened? If you see in the intraday on the 30 minutes time frame, we use 30-minute time frame. Okay, we are clear with that. TVS Motor is 537.19 is the buy level and the sell below 430.86. And you see 430.86, it has to close below 430.86. Okay, so I'll put a line here, and buy above was 437.19. So 437.19. Okay, friends, see here how market respected the level. That is what we discussed yesterday. It has to open somewhere here around this range and it has to slowly go down. Then it is a beautiful scenario to short. And actually yesterday what happened, if you see the daily candle, it is a bearish candle. But in intraday what happened, I think people would have shorted retailers. Nowadays many YouTube channels are there, and the retailers, they think that okay, it has gone up to the, see, if you see in the daily chart also, there is a stiff resistance here, and there was a doji. Now what happened? People thought okay, from here market will reverse, and they might have shorted people, retail traders, yeah, other big players also they short. So anybody can be trapped. I'm not speaking only about the retail traders. So anybody can be trapped. Okay, see how beautifully here it closed, came here, took support there, and it did not close. Half an hour candle did not close there, and in that. So generally, what we will do, we will just take once it closes immediately, we take the position and we put a stop loss. See the beautiful move how it came, and Nifty was down by 100 points. So friends, level is very important, and we have to select the stocks in such a way that its correlation with the Nifty must be almost very less. So then only, until and unless there is a very big problem, then only the stock has to go along with Nifty. So this is how, if we want to book 2 rupees profit, 3 rupees profit, what I generally say, if I see here also what it is mentioned, 437 30-minute candle closing above or below level is very important. Why enter at our level or at VWAP after breakout or breakdown. So you can enter at VWAP, and if you see the VWAP is around here, it came to VWAP and from there it moved. Here people, sometimes what people do, people buy here only because the VWAP has given a breakout and people buy here. Friends, we have to select the stocks in intraday with much difficulty. Only 1, 2 or 3 stocks will appear in the whole day, and that will become the operator's stock. If it is opening gap up, then we cannot do anything. The best scenario is this: it opened gap down, took if you see the 5 minutes candle, 5 minutes, what you can see how what. See what happened. It opened a gap down, true, and it closed below the level. That is why I don't take 5 minute, 10 minute, and all these candles and all. In half an hour time frame, it is very difficult to give a uh, fake move. It is very difficult. Once it gives a breakout in half an hour candle, any player, any trader, smart trader, they take position, then they will not allow to go down. See the momentum also. how it is going. So friend, this is how we have to select the stock. And the next stock was what was the stock? I think Ramco Cement 702 695.19. And you see by above 702, see it opened half an hour candle, no, 702 702.19. It gave a breakout here, and actually it gave a breakout beautifully. See the scenario how it opened somewhere below our, somewhere in this range, and gave a breakout 702 means, and it came to the level about 703 or something. It sustained there, and see how the move came. 724 is the high. In intraday, stock selection is very how to select the stocks. That is very important, friends. Otherwise, if you are in a 10-20 groups, okay, that is very good. You can accumulate the knowledge. But what is the accuracy? You can see my stop loss is always, will be always big, because the volatility nowadays, the Nifty is trading or whatever it is trading, it is very highly volatile. So in that volatility, if your stock range is within the volatility range, then you will get trapped. So for tomorrow, the two stocks are uh, Grasim. So why I have selected this stock. Grasim, again, what it happened in 3 days, it is trading at the same level. Price is not moving, but you can see the stock is trading there itself. That means what, after the breakout here somewhere, the either he is accumulating or he may be distributing. We don't know. This player was taking the stock this much high. Either he bought here or here. We don't know. But we cannot make out tomorrow the stock will go down or go up. We don't know at all. But if our level is broken, breached, either downside or upside, then the stock will move in that direction. 85 to 90 around 90% of the time. So 90 times, 9 times among out of 10 trades you can be correct, or you keep up to 8 trades also, it will be correct, and 2 will be stop loss. Then if you learn correct price action, then need not worry at all. Okay, the next stock which I have taken is Pidilite. Pidilite also say closed in the same here. Another pattern here. It is giving a double cup pattern. It gives a breakout, and you can see how it is. It will give in a single day itself removes 50 to 60 rupees and no resistance at all. Up to this, the stock will go. I want to show you a long-term pattern in this stock. If I put a trend line like this, see the wideness is expanding here. This is this that means the stock is very bullish. So it is going to the upper end, coming down. That means it is not, it is giving a breakout to the upper side very high, coming down, and it is trading in between and going up and coming down. See the range is become wider and wider. This is a very good pattern. This is called a sound horn pattern, what people say, but a good bullish pattern. See here it has come, and here it came down, and it is trading in between, same like this. You can see the pattern, and here also it is trading same like this. Slowly it may come, and maybe it may go this side. Maybe probability is very high, because all the paint stock has given breakout. This is the one which is staying behind. And if you see this pattern, some a cup and another handle pattern, actually this has to be very small, but anyway we can consider this. It has come down, given a breakout here, sustained here, then it is staying. If it trades tomorrow, the level I have to take out of from the volatility. So if it moves upside, then it will be a very good move. If it moves downside also, it will be a very good move, depending upon the level only. So half an hour candle is very important. That is why I always post this. Half an hour candle is very important. If you take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes and all, nowadays that is not working. So okay friends, so you can be a part of our premium group also. I am posting, but I am not insisting or anybody, I am not troubling anybody that I'll give Nifty futures. So today Nifty futures was this 11339.25. So just I'll show you Nifty chart also. So it opened gap down and it did not come down. So the level was something like this. Sorry, 11,339.25 283 339,283. So 283 I'll put here, and I'll take a line here and put 39 point. So 339 point by something like this. You see the level, friends, it did not break at all. It did not break in the 15-minute candle, and lower side also it did not break. See the fall, double top it has made, it has come down. So if it is really bullish, it will breach the level and sustain here, then only we will go for bullish, then this gap will be filled. So here it did not fill at all, so this gap remained. What people will think, okay, the first 15-minute candle is broken, so they will put a stop loss somewhere here, and everything will be triggered. I take all these levels with the volatility, taking everything I consider, and then only I put it. Is a very very highly accurate and back tested strategy. So I take these levels not by my eyes, my naked eyes cannot see all these levels. So this is very important. If it breaches and stays there, and we can go on to the upside, and then our stop loss will become very very small and no problem with that. So I'm thinking to give Bank Nifty options also. So you can be a premium member. Nothing is that you can open account with us, and be in Alice Blue or Upstox. Most preferably, I think Alice Blue is better, and you can trade and you can take the benefits as well. Okay, that is all for today, friends. Manage your risk, and I have posted something very important about the Nifty also yesterday. This one, I think you have seen this. Nifty PE ratio is trading above 32.03. So markets in next day itself 100 points correction has come. So we should not be very aggressive. Understand the markets. It is very important to understand the valuation of the market, valuation of the stock, and then to trade. So if blindly if you go here and there and take the trades, then I think market will throw us out very quickly. So okay, friends, bye bye. Thank you.